inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the sun, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never left. She's so bad that the chick made the bag.
Today we are heading to the Tail of the Dragon, one of the roads that everybody talks about. They say it's the greatest road ever. 311 turns in 11 miles, or 312 curves in 11 miles. It is just back and forth all over the place. I've gone on it before on a motorcycle, but never in my car. So it's been took a long time to do that, and it'll be Jarrett's first time doing that in his BMW. So we'll have to let you know. See you guys on the Tail of the Dragon.
Holy cow! Holy crap, dude.
So we're currently at Cliff Dwellers Inn in North Carolina, Blowing Rock, North Carolina. For Monday, we first part of the trip was about 500 miles. Went to Nashville, Tennessee, and we went to a comedy club down there. Beautiful drive down, had some fun on the first little roads that we went down, and then woke up early Thursday morning, hit the Tail of the Dragon. Excellent time doing that. We actually had a guide who had a Porsche Cayman GTS, and it was really cool. He's a big fan of the Dragon, but this guy, he runs 4 different events every single year at Tail of the Dragon. He does a lot of different Porsche events. He does invading the Dragon every year, and he said that what they'll do for those different events is they'll just drive 6 hours a day back and forth all around the Tail of the Dragon, trying to get used to the roads, having some fun, and just tandem with tons of different cars. We do have Jarrett's BMW M240i, and obviously I got the Infiniti G37. Both cars handled very well. No issues so far. Actually, take that back, there was one issue with my car so far. For some reason, the power steering is getting really stiff. I might not be using the right fluid. Tomorrow we do have another drive that we're doing. We did a drive today with the group, had about 20 cars, and tomorrow we'll be doing another drive. Hopefully we can double that number. Usually we double or triple the number on Friday because more people show up for the event for the weekend. Today we had like 3 Nismos that were in front of us and like 7 Nismos behind us for the 370Z. It was just like, oh, just a symphony of VQ 37s, 35s, and a couple of, they're actually the older Zs too. Today at the drive, actually, there was a guy who just got a new to him Z, and it is just customized galore. I'll have to see if I actually have any video of the car. I don't think I was actually following that one for the drive. You can tell the person who had it before him just put a ton of time into the car. And it's actually really cool because what they did with the rear fenders is they took and they Bondo and sealed this to make it look like it's just one piece. So it doesn't look like there's, oh, it's a bumper and then the rear fender. No, it's just a complete section all through it. The only issue is if you go up against something where you hit the bumper, it could possibly break it.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. Whoa, you've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread
Good morning, it is
Sunday, last day for Zdayz. So last night we did the award ceremony for the entire event, and my goal this year was trying to get 3 trophies. I didn't exactly know how the trophy system worked. I thought it was gonna be like a first, second, third type place. But since there were so few cars for certain categories, there was only just like a first place type of thing. And the guy who had the first place car looks like this. Let's see if I can get a picture up on the screen there. So it really didn't have much of a competition for going up against that guy. However, the Trike X event, I did get first place. Really excited about that. I even did one run with my dead mouse helmet on, which looked really funny. But for the trophy that they had this year, they have these really cool cups. It says Zdayz 20 on the side right there. And they also give you one of the dog tags, one of the gold dog tags to match along with that. So I've got a solid collection going on here. Award ceremony, fantastic. Really had a good time. Really getting to know a lot of people. Get to hear Brian and Michelle Settle's heart about everything about the event, what their plans are for the future. Might be changing up a couple things, which I'm always excited about if it's changing things for the better. So we'll definitely see what happens in years to come. But dude, cannot stress enough how amazing this event is. We went on so many drives. We put 1,000 miles on the cars in the first 2 days, and then 500 miles during the event, going on some drives with the group, and then just Jarrett and I going out for some drives. Really some amazing roads down here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. So to anybody who thinks that Zdayz is just a dying off event, it is far from it. It's getting better and better every single year. And I can't wait for the next one. I mean, it just ended this morning, and I can't wait for next year to go do the next one. So we're heading out this morning. Got about a 7-hour drive home. That's if we go straight home. Plan is we're gonna hit some fun roads on the way back. Once we get back into Ohio, Jarrett really wants to hit the 555, so we're gonna see about hitting that, seeing how it compares to the Tail of the Dragon, some of the other roads we've been on. I did not realize there was horse and buggies on this road. Holy crap.
No, I did not know that either. That makes things interesting. I had no idea.
Looks like we got a blue horse and buggy in front of us now. it.